How do we integrate with Lovable? Super easy. Probably the easiest one that we've done on the platform. Imagine this is your studio, this is your website. Let's take say Lyra. This is my chat assistant that I built. All I have to do is take my API endpoint and give this API endpoint to Lovable. Let me open up my one of my projects. Yeah. So this is the Lyzr chat agent that I built on Lovable just to demonstrate to one of our customers. And all I had to do was, hey, I'm sharing the API endpoint of a conversational agent. I wanted to build a chat agent. That's it. And I copy pasted whatever this API was. It went ahead, built a UI for me, and this is what Lyra is. Like, let me ask a question, right? How do you handle responsible AI? So Lyzr incorporates responsible AI. So this is what's answering. Let me do the same here to the agent in the backend. Even a bit more. Obviously, there will be slight changes in the way it would generate every time because that's how we've designed it, so that it doesn't look like hard coded. But yeah, this is as simple as that. Just copy the agent interface, sorry, the inference endpoint, take it to Lovable or Bolt or even Google launch something like Stitch, basically. Stitch, Replit, any platform. And the best part is you are now able to separate your backend from your front end. Again, go back to the reference architecture that I highlighted yesterday. If you look at this, the agent layer is now the new logic layer, like Satya Nadella mentioned. Your UI becomes just a UI, there's no logic built in. And then your backend systems are there as a system of record. So any changes, you can actually now go here and make it to the agent right here from an instruction point of view or goal point of view, or give some examples to the agent. So this is how we are separating these, I would say, the backend from the front end. So it's debuggable, editable, and you can improve the systems on a continuous basis.